Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Joycey, your maths teacher. How are you, my dear children? I hope everyone is fine and safe at your home. Right, children? Yes. Today, I am going to conduct a revision test for lesson 1, 2 and 3. All of you take your maths notebook and pencil. Did you take your maths notebook and pencil? Yes. So children, please open the back side of your notebook and write the heading as revision test. Did you write it? Yes. All of you have studied very well. Then write the answers in each question and send it to the mail ID which I will mention in the description box. Are you ready, children? Let's begin.
Let's start the revision test for lesson 1, 2 and 3. Fill in the blanks. The first question, a sphere has dash curved surface. Your time starts now. Second question, complete the pattern. 10, 20, dash, 40, dash, 60. Your time starts now. Third question, 6 into 2 is equal to dash. Your time starts now. Fourth question, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. What is 6 into 5? Your time starts now. Fifth question, dash is the shortest month. Your time starts now. Next, answer the following. Write the time shown on the clocks in two different ways. Your time starts now. Next question. Name the shape of each object. Your time starts now. Next question, this is your last question. Multiply. The first one 25 into 3 and the second one 71 into 2. Your time starts now.
So children, hope all of you can perform very well. Send your answers as soon as possible. Study well and practice well. So let me conclude today's session. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.